Have you got an idea to sell a digital product, but you're like, I don't have a website, I don't know how to take money, I don't know how to do any of this stuff, and the tech is getting in the way? I'm going to help you out and show you how to do it all for free. First thing you're going to want to do is get yourself a Canva account. Just a free one, you don't need Pro. You're going to need this for two reasons. One, to build your digital product. Two, to create your website. Let me show you. Come on into Canva and just hover over the templates, and there are a ton of different templates for you to choose from, and this is where you can create your digital product. And if you can't find what you're looking for, go to the search function and type in ebook or whatever it is that you can't seem to find, and I bet you they got one. Once inside, there are a ton of ebooks for you to choose from. Select it and create the digital product that you want. Now, the next thing you want is to upload your digital product into some sort of online storage. My guess is you're probably going to go with either Google Drive or Dropbox. Either way, throw it in there and it's going to give you a code. Let me show you how I do mine. Okay, here's an array of mine, and go into whatever one it is and you're going to right click on it and go to get link. And it's one of these links that you want to be able to share with your people that buy it. Now that you have all that sorted, you're probably going to want to know how to take payment, and you're going to need PayPal for that. Now, you are going to need a business PayPal, but again, it's free. So going to get paid, then over here, you're going to want to go to PayPal button and select the Buy Now button. Once inside, this is what your button looks like, and you're going to fill in these first few pieces. And then you're going to want to go to step 3. Now, step 3 is the important part. You're going to want to come down to this piece here. Click this, and that link I just told you to pick up from your Google Drive or wherever you saved your product, you stick in here. Once you're done, you click create, and you're going to want to go to this email link. And this link here, you're going to need to stick into your website. So let's go build that. Real quick, that particular step 3, what it does in PayPal is once your customer has paid, PayPal will redirect them so that they get instant access to download your digital product. This is where we go back into Canva, and we're going to want to type in the word website because that's what we're going to find. Now, you've got a whole array, and choose the ones that are free. The ones with the little crown, they're Pro, but these ones are all free. Now, if you like it, customize this template. Now, once you have your page open, one of your buttons, your Shop Now button, you're going to want to embed that PayPal code. So highlight the button, and then up here, you're going to want to copy and paste that code. Then once you're done, come up to Publish Website. I personally use scrolling if you've got more than one page, but click Open Website. From here, you'll then be able to click this button and it will take you to PayPal, like this, where someone can pay. Now this code up here, this is the one that you're going to want to share, but that's really unsexy, so let's make that a little shorter. Take yourself over to bit.ly.com, create a free account, enter that really long link, and it will allow you to create something smaller, shorter, something that's easy to